Hi sir, please introduce yourself.
Hi, myself Ashin. I am an
Sir,
educator.
sir, please look at the camera.
Yeah, I am Ashin. I am an educator at an academy and I teach physics at JEE 24x7.
So what's your experience?
Experience, it's more of a learning than a teaching for me because most of the times it is one-way communication and I am trying to see what students are understanding and what not understanding. Since every day we are having new students and we are trying to figure it out.
And any other observations?
Observations, I have many. See, students have become very health conscious at these times. They'll do all sort of asanas at their home. They'll be keeping in a shavasana, they'll be in a tida asana, they'll be in a mida asana, but everything else apart from sitting in the desk and chair and learning themselves. And that too, whenever it is their will, they'll come in the class, they'll go from the class, then again re-enter and then say, sir, explain again. Again, there are many more attentions. There are some personal attention seekers in the sessions also. They'll just simply come and say my name, say my name, say my name, say my name, please say my name, please say my name. And just saying their name that satisfies them and then they'll be gone again. Half of the time the class comes, sits and then leaves and then comes again. So that's again a big mess over here. And then, if by mistake any girl comes in the comment section and says her name and says something in the name, everyone in the class starts saying hello, 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 hello. Arey bacha, listen to me, bhai. I am been speaking over here from last 15-20 minutes, half an hour. You don't listen to me, and a girl comes and everyone in the chat starts hello, 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 hello. Say my name, say my name, say my name. And again, another observation over here is that if anyone has a single doubt after attending two classes, they won't come for the next two, and when they come back for the fifth class, even they have the single doubt, they say, please check my doubt, please check my doubt, please check my doubt, please check my doubt. Arey bacha, please come in regular classes, attend it regularly, then only your doubts would be clarified now. So this is something which I have learned from online education at this point, and this is a realistic information which I am giving you, which is particularly I feel, and this is very different from what I expected, and this is how the reality works.